Today we're gonna do strawberry ice cream. All you need is 500 milliliters of heavy cream, 400 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk, and 500 grams of strawberries. To clean the strawberries very well, you can put them into a bowl of water and add baking powder. Leave them for 2 to 5 minutes and then wash them with clear water. Then put them into a blender and mix them well. Put the strawberry paste aside and start to do the basic ice cream. For that you need a big bowl where you will mix the 500 milliliters of heavy cream until stiff. Then you just add the sweetened condensed milk, mix well, and add the strawberry paste. Mix it one more time and your strawberry ice cream will be ready to be put in a box to freeze it. The next day you can enjoy your ice cream. If you want to know how to do other flavors of ice creams, click here.